Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mood for Food. Today I'm going to share the recipe of super delicious garlic cheese sandwich, which is very easy to make, and the chili sauce I used is also homemade, so I will be posting its video very soon. For making this sandwich, we need 4 to 5 white bread. You can even take multigrain or brown bread, grated cheese, tomato ketchup and chili sauce, finely chopped onion, finely chopped tomato, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, finely chopped green chilies and butter melted. The spices that we need today is chili powder, salt and some chaat masala. For making the sandwich, first we are going to prepare the spread. So for that I'll add 3 tablespoons of onion, finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, half a tablespoon of red chili sauce. You can add red chili sauce and tomato ketchup as per your taste also. Now I'm going to mix it all together. Now I will add some spices, salt as per taste, some red chili powder. You can add more if you want to make it more spicy, and some chaat masala. Chaat masala gives a really good taste in the spread. Mix. At last, I'm going to add some green chilies finely chopped. You can also skip them if you don't like your food spicy. Mix, and your spread is ready. I've crushed 3 to 4 garlic cloves, and now I'm going to add it into 3 to 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix. Now on the slice of bread, I'm going to apply my spread. Lots and lots of cheese. I have prepared 2 such sandwiches from the mixture I made. Now I'm going to cook them with the garlic butter. Now on a medium flame, add some garlic butter. Cook on one side until it turns golden brown, and then we are going to flip.